The girls scamper across a bare stage and begin dancing.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Authorities are investigating a double homicide. 2 employees at the Dare Hills Pizzeria were found brutally murdered just moments ago. It has been said that a tall, thin man wearing a black and white clown costume and carrying a garbage bag had something to do with the murders. Stay tuned for more updates during this situation.
I've been wanting to for years. I feel like such a coward. I can't tell you how many times I've thought about reaching out.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The man in the black and white clown outfit who was said to be responsible for the 2 employees who got murdered has now murdered 6 more people brutally. The clown man's identity was revealed and his name is Art the Clown. Attempts of killing Art have failed. Lock all doors and windows. If you see Art the Clown, run away and call 911 as soon as possible. Hide in a shelter. Don't make any loud noises because Art might hear you. Stay tuned for more updates.